I found this guy on TikTok that makes $10,000 per month renting websites. Hi, I'm Andy and welcome to this new channel where I'll be uploading short videos about interesting ways that people make money. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're interested. In this video I'm going to cover the idea, a huge problem they faced and then solved, and how you could potentially get started doing this. This is Kyle. He's a 37-year-old entrepreneur who goes by the username Website Landlord on TikTok. Essentially, he builds websites for common things that people would search for within a specific city. The example that he gives is PittsburghTowing.com, but it could also be like Pittsburgh Haircut, Dallas Cooking Classes. And what he does is he builds a 1 to 5 page simple website. And this is where the main problem comes into play. How do you get traffic to your website? And Kyle was able to solve this problem through SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. It's a practice where you properly label everything on your website, from domain name, titles, subtitles, tags, paragraph text with the proper information, and everything in between to make sure it's optimized for Google searches. So when people Google search the thing that they're looking for, his website will come up first. He'll start off by just optimizing the website and having the leads go nowhere. And once this website is generating traffic, he'll contact a company in that area and try to make a deal with them. Basically, it's like, hey, I'll send you all of the traffic from my website and you pay me a monthly fee.
After I let the towing company try it out for a week for free, then I typically ask them if they want to keep this going, and when they say yes.
And he usually charges $500 to $2,000 per month. So let's say an estimate of $1,000 per client that he does this for. If he owns 10 websites, that would be $10,000 per month. He says once a client is set up, there's not really any work to do other than charge them their monthly fee.
It took me a while, but I figured it out about 5 years ago, and I haven't worked a normal job since.
He's been doing this about 5 years. It looks pretty promising and interesting to me. I might even have to give this idea a try. From the research that I did, it was pretty unanimous that WordPress and Wix are the best for building websites with good SEO. WordPress, you gotta kinda know what you're doing and build it yourself a little bit. But Wix is like an all-in-one click and drag and drop website builder. Let us know what you think about this down in the comments. Can this idea work? Are you guys gonna try it? And also be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one.